Hello friends, today we're gonna see how to make this beautiful boat. So let's start the video. So we need square cutouts. So I have taken one and I have folded into half. Again, you have to fold it into half. Now you can see four corners, so you have to take one and fold it like this, and remaining three corners to the other side. There is a gap, so you have to put your thumb into it and press it like this. And hold the corners and pull it like this. And press it. And our boat is ready. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel.